So this is the next question we have, and it's 9 over w minus 3 minus 4 over w minus 6 equals 18 over w squared minus w plus 18. Remember, the first step we always do is check if we have anything we can factor, right? And we know we can factor this pretty well. So you get, let's factor it. So w squared minus 9w plus 18. So quick review on factoring, right? So this is the number that you have to get two numbers to added and this to multiplied. So let's write that out. So two numbers multiplied to get 18 and two numbers added to get negative 9. So we know right off the bat that's going to be negative 6 and negative 3, right? Negative 6 and negative 3, because negative 6 plus negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 6 times negative 3 is positive 18. So what we do is we write the middle number using these two, but the same variable. So you get w squared minus, remember we use the new ones, right? So minus 6w, and we do minus 3w plus 18. And so we get, let's factor the w. Remember, we want to make like a sort of like a wall, like a box type, right? These are two separate now. So you get w, factor the w out from here, and then w divided by w is just w, and then w squared, right? So w squared divided by w is just w, and then negative 6w divided by w is just negative 6. And so in this equation, what can we factor out? We know that this factor has to be over here as well. So w minus 6 also has to be here. So what multiplied will give us this? So we know negative 3, right? Because negative 3 will give us negative 3w. Negative 3 multiplied negative 6 will give us negative 18, positive 18. So from there, we can go to the next step. We write this one down. So you get w minus 6. Write the next parentheses. We use this w. And we bring this 3 down, negative 3. And that's your factor right there. So let's rewrite that equation right here. So 9 w minus 3 minus 4 over w minus 6 equals 18. Let's rewrite it using the new factorized form. W minus 6, w minus 3. And that's pretty convenient that both numbers are already here, right? So all we have to do over here is just multiply this by w minus 6, multiply this by w minus 3 to get the same denominators on both sides of the equation. So you get 9, whatever do on top, have to do on bottom. So let's just multiply it right away. So because on the bottom, we're going to multiply by w minus 6. So let's just do it right now on the top as well. W minus 6 over w minus 3 and w minus 6 and minus 4 w minus 3 over w minus 3 and w minus 6 equals this over here, which already is there and I don't want to rewrite it. So we can just cancel the denominators out, right? And we're just left with the top parts. Okay, so these are the top parts now, right? So we have 9w minus 6 minus 4w minus 3 equals 18, because we canceled this one out as well, right? So let's expand everything out. So you get 9x, 9w, 9 times 6 is 54. So negative 54 minus 4w. This is negative 4 times negative 3, which is positive 12, equals 18. Okay, let's collect the like terms. This is 9w, this is 4w. So 9w minus 4w. 9 minus 4 is just 5. So you get 5w minus 54 plus 12. 54 plus 12 is just 42, right? So minus 42 equals 18. And we can do plus 42 plus 42. 42, I mean, not 40, 42. And you get 5w equals 48 plus 14. And so over here, I'm bad at mental math, sorry. 18. You get 10, 5, 6, 60. 60. Divide that by 5. Divide that by 5. You get W equals 60 divided by 5, which is 12. That's your answer right there.